Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do a listing on Etsy, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this listing menu here, which is the edit listing, for the process of opening up your store, and I'll be using this since I cannot actually open up my store because I don't have valid bank info that I'm going to give them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this and I'm going to show you how you can actually create a listing. So once you're in your listing creation menu or editing menu, the important things that you need to add are a title, photos, and a video. You can add up to 10 photos in one video, but one photo is the minimum. You can adjust the thumbnail if you want, but that is completely up to you. The description is mandatory. You need to set the price, the quantity. You need to set if it's a physical product or a digital product as well. And then if it's a physical product, you do need to set other attributes up. However, these are fully optional. Pretty much anything with a red asterisk is mandatory. And other things you need to set up are the core details. As I mentioned, if it's a physical item, you need to set the category. You need to set a shipping option if it's physical, an item weight, an item size, returns and exchanges, and renewal options if, again, you want to set up your listing. Some of these are specifically for physical items, some of them are in general, so pretty much whichever type of item you are creating, you just need to add all the information with the red asterisk. Once you've set everything up, you can just click save and continue or save and list, and once you create the listing, that listing will be up on your shop, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.